How to change language in IMO. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, we can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon and here tap on settings. So now we in the settings interface. Here you can find different options and can even customize it. Here there is a section called language. Simply tap on language. So here you can find different languages that are available. Now simply select the one that you want to switch into. So here I'm tapping on one and at last tap on the stick button. Now it will take some time. So after some time the app will be reloaded and you can find or see changes in the whole interface and even the language. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.